Have you ever wondered how AI stacks up against human intelligence? What makes AI different from the way we think, learn, and solve problems? In this video, we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of AI and human intelligence, exploring their key differences, strengths, and limitations. Let's uncover what sets them apart. AI and human intelligence are both incredible in their own ways, but they operate on fundamentally different principles. To start, AI excels in processing vast amounts of data at lightning speed. It can analyze patterns, recognize trends, and make decisions based on predefined algorithms. For instance, AI can quickly sort through millions of images to identify objects or predict stock market trends with high accuracy. However, this data-driven approach lacks the nuanced understanding and emotional depth that characterize human thought. Human intelligence, on the other hand, is deeply rooted in cognitive processes and emotional experiences. We use intuition, empathy, and creativity to navigate complex social interactions and solve problems. Unlike AI, which relies on preset rules and data, humans can think abstractly, make ethical judgments, and adapt to new and unforeseen circumstances. Our intelligence is also influenced by personal experiences and emotional responses, adding layers of depth to our decision-making. When it comes to learning, AI and humans approach it differently. AI uses machine learning algorithms to improve its performance based on feedback and data. For example, an AI system trained to play chess will get better by analyzing past games and learning from its mistakes. Human learning, however, involves not just acquiring knowledge, but also understanding context, drawing on past experiences, and applying insights creatively. We learn through a combination of formal education, personal experiences, and social interactions, which helps us develop a more holistic understanding of the world. One of the significant differences is the concept of consciousness and self-awareness. AI, no matter how advanced, operates without consciousness. It doesn't possess self-awareness or emotional understanding. It simply processes information and executes tasks based on its programming. Humans, conversely, have a sense of self, awareness of our thoughts and emotions, and the ability to reflect on our experiences, which profoundly influences our decision-making and creativity. Moreover, while AI can perform specific tasks with high efficiency, it struggles with generalization. AI systems are designed for particular applications and excel within those confines, but cannot easily transfer their knowledge to unrelated areas. Humans are adept at transferring skills and knowledge across different contexts, a capability that remains challenging for AI. AI and human intelligence each have their unique strengths and limitations. AI's ability to process data and perform repetitive tasks at high-speed contrasts with the depth, creativity, and emotional richness of human intelligence. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the role each plays in our world and how they can complement one another. If you enjoyed exploring these fascinating contrasts and want to dive deeper into AI and human capabilities, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of AI.